Okay, now we proceed to question number 2. This is just a made-up scenario. So about the COVID-19 virus, it is suggested that probably number of events were the events with crowd, and then number of people who just recently returned from overseas, and then whether there is an intervention from the government or not may affect or may explain the number of infected people in a certain area. So if we want to model that using the multiple linear regression of order 1, then we can have that our model is that expected y equals like beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3, where x1 this is beta 2 x2, and here we have x1. And then because we already put the expected y, then there is no error. Or if you want to put it with the error, or we have I just copy this. We have this one, and then we have just y plus, and here we have the epsilon, where we have epsilon is assumed to normally independent, identically distributed with the mean of 0 and the variance of sigma square. And then so the assumption is that the error follows a normal distribution, the mean of the error is 0, the variance of the error is constant at sigma squared, and then between errors are independent. And then beta naught, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 are the regression coefficients. Y is that the number of people who are suspected to be infected by the COVID-19 virus. X1 here, because X1 and X3 is the nominal, on a nominal scale. I just define my X1. X1 equals to 1 if there is an event, or there was an event with crowds in the area, and then 0 otherwise. And then for X3 whether there is an intervention from the government. So actually, if there is, or there are interventions, if there is an intervention from the government, and 0 otherwise. So that's how we write the model. The scale of measurement for each variable in the model, we have that because we have here y is that the number of infected people, then we know it is on a numerical scale, more specifically on a ratio scale. And then we have x2. We have x2 is that the number of people is it? Where's the story here? The number of people. Yeah, x2 is the number of people who just recently returned from overseas. So then here it is also numerical. This is also numerical scale. More specifically is on a ratio scale. And then as we can see from part A, we have x1 and we have x1 and then x3. They are on a categorical, more specifically on a nominal scale. You can just have different definition for x1 and x3. I mean that x1 is 1 if there is no event and 0 otherwise. x3 is 1 if there is no intervention and 0 otherwise. You can do the other way around like that. Okay, so there's 4 question part 2 A and B.